So hope everybody is doing well. It is May 18 and we are 6:31 p.m. Yeah. So number one, I want to thank everybody. For the past few weeks, I have sent videos that are well documented on YouTube also on how the 240 was pinning. So if you don't understand, the pinning is a place where you have the most open interest on the put side and the most open interest on the call side. When you add them together, people are looking to pin, and the pin was around the 240. See, there was 100. There's still 154,000 contract plus 53,000 contracts, so 200,000 contract. And I said this will be passing, but be very careful that it gets rejected, because when it pins, there's a lot of institutions that are at those levels and will defend that resistance, and they did defend that resistance. And now what you are seeing, and I'll show you on the charts, is we start seeing a little pin coming up here, or at least more interest around the 238. Sorry, 238 strike with 72,000 contract here and 100,000 on the other side. So it's the second largest open interest. So what it tells me is 238, 240 will be confirmed as resistance. So let's look at the day trading zones full pro tool to confirm. So if I pull a 60-minute of the day trading zones full pro tool, you see it pin. I had my perfect double top here, second top here, higher, then it recrossed the pin. And that's what was awesome about this trade, you know, and it's really a cool pin play. They go above, they take the stops, everybody starts panicking, then they recross, they retest, and boom, look, day trading zones triggered the down arrow, which was my 4-hour daily 5-minute 60-minute trigger. And look what happened every hour after that. Blam, 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 get out, get down, get down, get down. So now we have a little bit of a double bottom rebound. But rebound to what? Well, I say we are rebounding to this pin that we just talked about, which is going to be between 238 and about the 239.50. This is where I expect a lot of resistance. So I'll be coming back there, I'll be lower high, and then back down. Back down to what? Let me show you the daily. And if you look at the daily chart, you have a bigger view of the entire process since February. Here is your high, here's your second high, this is your double top. And what people don't understand is I have been trained to always look at the middle part of a double top. If that cracks, we go down a lot. Usually it acts as a support and resistance. So this 231.62 and that 229 DTZ is going to be a very important support box for me to look for buy, and that's going to SBs, I mean support buy in the market. But if that middle part cracks and continue below that 231, 229, if below 229 is game over, we are going to continue puking. But right now we are doing a range. Back up, maybe retest the resistance, the power line 238, 239 area, gets rejected, go back down, 231.60, 229. And this is where I would expect some rebound. Okay, so you have an overview. It's the same idea on the ES. So same idea with the ES. I want to show you that some people trade the ES. I'm looking here, that double bottom. It's a temporary double bottom. Retest 77 to this 87. Lower high ES. And that be very, very, very careful on that box here. Come back here, they resist, and this is a big box here where they could reject one more time, take again the 23.56 low here, and now they have a lot of space to test what? The prayer middle part of this double top. Remember we talked about this? Middle of the double top, 23.20. And this is also how options pinning help you. You know, it's a combination of charts and order flow and institutional high and lows with our full pro tool, plus also a combination of where the institutions are piling up in terms of defending certain area by looking at the options pinning principles. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful, guys. You take care, you stay safe, you have a great evening, and I'll see you on the next